everyone smash that subscribe button. Do it now. Let's go. It's free to follow us. Free. Absolutely free. Remember the move says great.
But there wasn't any stops.
This door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone. Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. The time is now, on an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story in the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Can we continue after that? Oh my god.
Never been this far back there?
No. Sorry.
Mary moves his hands forward. Don't forget to smash that like button for John and Frankie for page. There's 300 likes. Let's go.
If we have any loose items, please make sure we hold on tight to them at all times, including your personal belongings, loved ones, hopes and dreams, and anything else.
Sarsaparilla.
Sounds good.
To our valued guests, for your safety once on board, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator at all times. And do take special care to supervise your children. Thank you. Estimados huéspedes,
And row 5
con
is
su
on
seguridad, regresamiento por favor,
row 4 all the way to the middle left.
y mantengan
And row 3
los brazos 15 piernas dentro del elevador en todo momento.
Time, take this now.
One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and felt negative. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. about to discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest part of imagination, in the Tower of Terror. A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Yeah, I can't remember exactly. We were just sitting here like,
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the elevator doors. We trust your stay at the Hollywood Tower Hotel has been a pleasant game. And please do come back and see us again. Thank you.
okay.